Hi guys, Maxine here with tinkanditreasures. Welcome back to my studio. Today we have, ta-da! Your creative studio has arrived. And of course, clear the decks. Clear everything I was working on. We have creative studios to unpack. So let's get this party started, huh? Let's take, oops, things are falling out. Get that out of the way. Okay, now, of course, we want to save this packaging, don't we? Actually, yeah. Don't put the sticker on. No stickers. Okay, well, since this wanted to be seen so badly, we'll just have a look. I love these little bags. More stickers. No stickers. Ooh. Well, I like the colors. I don't know what the image is, but I like the colors. Here, I wonder if this will work. Let's take a look here and see if we can, oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? So we got flowers and some birds. Yeah, that's really pretty. I like that a lot. So that's a keeper. That's definitely a keeper. I could use that in collages and stuff. That would be awesome. Ooh, we got little postage stamp stickers, it says. See, stickers in the bag, good. Stickers on the product, not so good. Oh, look at this. Oh, I like these. Oh, those are nice. Yeah. Just a whole bunch of, looks like butterflies. Looks like they're all, no, there's flat, no, that's a butterfly too on flowers. So yeah, it's basically a butterfly theme. So I like that. Yes, I do. Who doesn't like their butterflies, huh? So that's awesome. Oh, one of these things. I love these. That's nice. I like that a lot. What one's there? You could stamp on that too. Do all kinds of things. I like that. Okay. Ephemera. Just says paper ephemera. Are they all the same? Are they different? Yes, they're different. Looks like you get several of each picture. It's pretty. I don't know. I don't know if this is a sticker though. Yes, it is a sticker. Yep. Okay. Those are pretty. I can make use of these. I can absolutely make use of that. All right, what do we got next here? Oh, note bar stickers. Sweet. This will be awesome in collages and stuff, huh? Just little snippets of advertisements, I think. Old-time advertisements, maybe. Yeah, those will be great addition for collages and stuff. I like that. So far, this is a great little kit. Oh, this was May. Hang on. Yeah, this is the May kit, and this is still May. This is mid-May that we're doing this, so there's a very good chance it might still be available. So yeah, get over there if you're liking what you're seeing, get on over to your creative studio and see if you can't nab it. It's always, you know, it's so disappointing when you see someone do an unboxing like this, right? And you're thinking, oh wow, oh wow, oh wow, I like that, I like that. But, you know, they're doing the unboxing in May, and it's actually a February box. Well, chances are, you know, you're not going to be able to go snag it, which is, you know, it's very disappointing. But this is the May box, and this is May. So if you like this, get on over and see if it's still there. Oh, look at these. I like these a lot. They're just little pieces of paper. Great for collaging, for backgrounds. It's all neutrals. Yeah, this is awesome. I really like this. Just up my, what's it called? Up my path? No, I don't. I can't think of the saying right now, but it's definitely something I would use. Let's see, what's this? Okay, let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, more. Oh, look at these. Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh, wow. Oh, look at that. That's definitely me right there. Oh, look it. Isn't that sweet? You seeing this? I hope you're seeing this. I hope my lighting is okay. Guys, I got some, you know, sunlight coming through the blinds. It's afternoon. Beautiful day in the Pacific Northwest, I'll have to say. It's absolutely a glorious day. Oh, look at those. We went out to a local farm for produce and stuff, and oh, we had the best time. They have all kinds of stuff. They have produce, fresh local produce. They have some meats, some cheese, a lot of baked goods. They have a little deli where you can order sandwich and latte. They have all kinds, it's a big nursery as well, so they have all kinds of plants, hanging baskets, and they have tables set up so you can, you know, get a sandwich or a latte, sit down and just, you know, watch the world go by for a few minutes. It was very nice day. Stamps. So yeah, little birdie stamps. Those are nice. I like those. Little leaves. Yeah. That's pretty awesome. Can I do this quickly? I don't know. I have organized and reorganized And I have come to the conclusion that I have a very tiny space and way too much stuff. So something has to give. And unfortunately, I'm going to have to start using stuff before I can buy any more, because I just don't have anywhere to put it. Okay, so let's see. That's not very dark. That's not the stamp's fault, that's mine. Here, let's get one that's a little juicier and darker that you can see. Oh yeah, that, oops. Throw it all everywhere. Throw it everywhere. There, you should see that one okay. Alright. Okay. Let's just stick it down here. Are you seeing this? Oh, look at that. That's nice. Little berries and leaves. That's sweet. I like that. Okay. Oh, there's the picture. I was thinking, how come? Ding that. It's like, where's the picture gone? Okay. Yeah. Definitely happy. Definitely happy with this month's subscription box. Oh boy. Yeah. Really not enough room, guys, for things. Okay. Yeah. I am liking this subscription box a lot. This is, I haven't had a dud yet. And we still have more to go here. Uh-oh. Okay, so, oh, there's those little stickers we normally get, little birds. And this feels like rice paper, maybe. Get that everywhere. Let's see. Can I tuck that in? Get that sticky away from this paper before we have a horrible, horrible accident. Yeah, so, yeah, it's just rice paper. That is pretty, isn't it? I love this bird. I really do love this bird. Yeah, that's nice. And last but not least, I can't read Chinese, so I don't know what this might be. So let's just take a look. Okay, so we got paper. Is this? I don't think it's a sticker, but it's very, you know, heavy paper, substantial. Oh, look. This is great. Isn't this great? Look at this. These are all different, so you don't have... Okay. Wait a minute now. Now we're getting in some different stuff. This is like a die cut thing. Ooh, I like that. Now that is definitely me all over. Right there. Right there. Like it. Another little... Now this feels like it could be a sticker. Let's see here. I'm thinking this is a sticker. we're not going to take a whole lot of time, but I'm pretty sure that these are stickers. Look at all those. Oh, they wonderful or what? There's more die cut thing. Love it. Love, love, love. Nice. Oh, these will be fun. Bigger pieces of paper. Oh. It feels very substantial. It has a great feel to it. These feels like stickers too. Little label things. Vintage scene creator. Huh. Well, that's interesting, isn't it? And some more larger pieces of collage type paper. And one of those big envelope things. That's cool. These are great, by the way. You put something in this and fold it all up, and whatever's inside is really protected. Okay, so that looks like that is it for the May 1922 subscription box from Your Creative Studios. How cool is this? I'm loving this kit a lot. It's got a lot of useful, very useful items. And yeah, oh, don't forget the washi. I already put it where I have washi that I actually use. So anyway, there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. And, you know, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate the views I get on these unboxings. I really, really wish I had the same number of views on my tutorials that I do. The junk journal, I make junk journals. I have an Etsy shop. I do a lot of tutorials on making junk journals, making the ephemera that goes into the junk journals. Yeah, so anyway, I would love for you guys to join me on my journey. And until next time, ladies, take care of you. Love each other. And I'll see you again. Bye.